all that. Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Hope you guys are doing just fine. I wanted to make a really quick video to talk about the center caps that I have for my car. As of right now, I don't have center caps, and the reason why is simply because these rims are actually from the stock 86, and because of that, the center caps that do fit these rims are Scion, and pretty much because of that, I really didn't want any sort of Scion associated items on the car. Ever since I put the spacers on the Forester, I've been a little bit concerned about water seeping into this area right here. Typically this would be blocked out by the center cap, so pretty much the point of this video is to figure out what I'm going to be doing for the center caps and prevent any damage happening to the CV axles or the spacers in the wheels. With that being said, let me go and show you guys an example of the Scion OEM center caps that I currently have. So these are the actual OEM Scion center caps for the 86. They actually look really good. The only problem is just obviously it says Scion. I really don't want to associate Scion with Subaru. Let me go and show you guys an example of how this would look like on the Subaru. We're gonna put this on just real quick. As you can see, it's kind of out of place. Obviously, I would never do that just because Scion doesn't belong to Subaru. But let me go and show you guys my solution to this. So before I continue, I should go ahead and clarify a few things. Now, instead of getting the OEM Subaru BRZ center caps, this is what I got instead. They're more of a sticker, but they are actually pretty thick. The quality feels a lot better than I really expected. And now I just wanted to talk a bit more about these stickers. So I was actually pretty surprised too that they sent 8. It might have been because I never received my first order, so that's probably why they sent 8 instead of 4, which is good. In case any of these ever fall off, I can just, you know, put on new ones. So moving forward, I want to talk a bit more about the price of these stickers, and they were, for 4, I believe I paid $10 bucks after shipping from Ukraine, which isn't too bad considering if you were to buy OEM Subaru BRZ center caps. And of course, my GoPro loses footage again. So at the end of that last clip, I was just trying to explain that I got the stickers for about 10 bucks, but comparing it to buying OEM center caps, it would have been about 20 bucks each. So if you're looking for a more cost-effective way, this wouldn't be a bad idea. And following up on the rest of that video, I also installed these into the center caps. Unfortunately, it would have been just a lot easier if I had that footage, but as you can see, they're just really big stickers, and pretty much all you need to do is clean the center cap and then put these right on just like stickers, and that's pretty much it. With that being said, let's go and hop back into the video. So I'm aware that these really won't do much, but it's the small details that count. But let's go ahead and put these on and see how they look like. The center caps are on, and wow, I know it's such a small detail, but wow, it really does look like it completes the car. I'm actually liking them a lot better than I expected. So I think this color combo does make it look more in tone of what I'm looking for. Let me go and show you guys a bit more around the Forester. And that pretty much concludes this video. I just wanted to make a really quick video about the center caps, my solution to that, and showcase a bit more about the stickers instead of having to buy super expensive OEM center caps. And also, I got 4 extra stickers. That's pretty freaking awesome. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Hopefully this provided an alternative to having to buy OEM center caps. Now, if you want to see what happens next to XT, the 86, 96, the Z, or the S550, please be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.